Question 1. Which of the following exercised the most profound influence in framing the Indian Constitution? A. British Constitution. B. US Constitution. C. Irish Constitution. D. The Government of India Act 1935. Correct answer is D. The Government of India Act 1935. Question 2. India is considered as a republic mainly because A. The head of the state is elected. B. It gained independence on the 15th of August 1947. C. It has its own written constitution. D. It is having a parliamentary form of government. Correct answer is A. The head of the state is elected. Question 3. According to the Indian Constitution, the vacancy in the office of the President of India shall be filled within A. 1 month, B. 6 months, C. 3 months, D. 1 year. Correct answer is B. 6 months. Question 4. The Legislative Council in a state in India may be created or abolished by the A. President on the recommendation of the Governor. B. Parliament. C. Parliament after the State Legislative Assembly passes a resolution to that effect. D. Governor on a recommendation by the State Cabinet. Correct answer is C. Parliament after the State Legislative Assembly passes a resolution to that effect. Question 5. One feature is common to the following bodies. Find it out. Supreme Court, Election Commission, UPSC, Office of CAG. A. They are advisory bodies. B. They are extra-constitutional bodies. C. They are controlled by legislature. D. They are constitutional bodies. Correct answer is D. They are constitutional bodies. Question 6. Which commission made the recommendations which formed the basis for the Punjab Reorganisation Act, which created the states Punjab and Haryana? A. Dhar Commission. B. Das Commission. C. Shah Commission. D. Mahajan Commission. Correct answer is C. Shah Commission. Question 7. The civil affairs like marriage, divorce, inheritance, etc., which has been authorized by the Constitution to make legal laws? A. Centre by the Union list of the Constitution. B. States by the State list of the Constitution. C. Centre and States by the concurrent list of the Constitution. D. Religious authorities which have relation to individual affairs. Correct answer is C. Centre and States by the concurrent list of the Constitution. Question 8. Which of the following is not an administrative function of a village panchayat? A. Providing sanitation and drainage. B. Providing burial and cremation grounds. C. Providing college education. D. Maintenance of ROAA. Correct answer is C. Providing college education. Question 9. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was for the first time amended by the A. 24th Amendment, B. 42nd Amendment, C. 44th Amendment, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. 42nd Amendment. Question 10. In the 13th Lok Sabha elections, in which of the following states did the ruling alliance win all the seats? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Orissa, C. Haryana, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Haryana. Question 11. the decimal system of Indian currency was started in A. 1950, B. 1955, C. 1957, D. 1960. Correct answer is C. 1957. Question 12. Which of the following passes lies in the Sutlej Valley? A. Nathula, B. Jelepla, C. Shipkila, D. Sherabathanga. Correct answer is C. Shipkila. Question 13. Asia's first underground hydel project is located in which of the following states in India? A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. Question 14. Which of the following does not have an influence over the climate in India? A. Monsoons, B. Ocean currents, C. Nearness to equator, D. Presence of Indian Ocean. Correct answer is B. Ocean currents. Question 15. Where is the Bandipur National Park? A. Rajasthan, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Assam. Correct answer is C. Karnataka. Question 16. The most extensive soil cover of India comprises A. Laterite soils, B. Black soils, C. Alluvial soils, D. Marshy soils. Correct answer is C. Alluvial soils. Question 17. The maximum area under crops in India is used for the cultivation of A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Sugarcane, D. Cotton. Correct answer is B. Rice. Question 18. Which state in India is estimated to have the largest coal reserves in India? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Bihar, including the newly created Jharkhand, C. Madhya Pradesh, including the newly created Chhattisgarh, D. Orissa. Correct answer is B. Bihar, including the newly created Jharkhand. Question 19. Which of the following steel plants is not managed by Indian Steel Authority Limited? A. Selam Rust Resistant Steel Plant, B. Vishakhapatnam Steel Plant, C. Alloy Steel Plant Durgapur, D. Bokaro Steel Plant. Correct answer is A. Selam Rust Resistant Steel Plant. Question 20. The proposed sea route Sethu Samudram is a canal through which of the sea lanes? A. Gulf of Mannar, B. Malacca Strait, C. Gulf of Kutch, D. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Correct answer is A. Gulf of Mannar. Question 21. Which of the following districts is on the international border of India? A. Gorakhpur, B. Jaipur, C. Kinnaur, D. Kullu. Correct answer is A. Gorakhpur. Question 22. Which one of the following states, union territories of India, recorded the lowest density of population in 1991 census? A. Sikkim, B. Nagaland, C. Mizoram, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 23. Which cities were first connected by the STD services? A. Delhi and Mumbai. B. Delhi and Kolkata. C. Kanpur and Delhi. D. Kanpur and Lucknow. Correct answer is D. Kanpur and Lucknow. Question 24. The social system of the Harappans was A. Fairly egalitarian. B. Slave labor based. C. Color Varna based. D. Caste based. Correct answer is A. Fairly egalitarian. Question 25. The capital city Dehdo, established by Kublai Khan, is situated at A. Samarkand. B. Beijing. C. Ulaanbaatar. D. Alma Ata. Correct answer is B. Beijing. Question 26. Who was the leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Acharya J.B. Kripalani. Correct answer is C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 27. Where are the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier housed? A. Velankanni, Chennai. B. Se Cathedral, Vela, Goa. C. Basilica of Bom Jesus, Vela, Goa. D. Saint Xavier's Church, Mumbai. Correct answer is C. Basilica of Bom Jesus, Vela, Goa. Question 28. Which of the following is called the storehouse of world art collections? A. National Archives of India. B. National Museum. C. National Modern Art Gallery. D. Salarjung Museum. Correct answer is D. Salarjung Museum. Question 29. In which field of art Jamini Roy make his name? A. Sculpture. B. Music. C. Painting. D. Drama. Correct answer is C. Painting. Question 30. In which of the following we find difference in the sounds made by sitar and veena? A. Pitch. B. Quality. C. Both 1 and 2. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Quality.